some claps, some hi-hats, and you're already on the good way to having a very nice song. That's the way I normally start my song. Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how I start a song. I've got this template, it's my starting template. And it's a simple kick and a bass. I put it in a loop. Oh, there's a sound that is allowed to play. I start with this. Very simple, but then I have an idea. The kick is always my most important thing. So I always start with a kick and a simple bass. Just when I want to play something, there's a kick and a bass where I can try stuff out. Then when I know not a lot about music theory, I know a little bit, but not a lot. I don't can play a piano, so I use this plugin. It's the Captain chord, and you can select here the key of the song. And what I always do is I select the same up here, so everything is in the same key and there is no clashing with keys, and everything I do I try to keep in this key. What this plugin does, listen, I show you, sorry. I start in the key A minor. What you can do is you can try stuff out here. You can try stuff out here. So this is not the best sound. I'm gonna take quickly electric piano for that. And you get immediately the feeling for what you want or what you're looking for. When you say, okay, I want to have this one, it's lying here. And you can try and change everything. You can go, when I select this one, I can go up an octave, down, and you can put more notes in there. So you can try everything out. When I have this, it's very simple. Drag and drop, and voila. My first two bars are finished. Now I don't use the plugin anymore because I've got my starting chords there. The only thing what I have to do then is check if my bass is in the same notes or in the same key. What I can do, I say, okay, this is the string. And I want to have a lead here. Then I take, normally what I normally do is just 1 second, because otherwise I mute this one for a moment and then I double click here, unmute this one, and then I go to my melody. Click, connect, and now the same accords are standing here, and I can take the pencil just for the tutorial. I click something in, but normally you go and find a very nice melody. The other thing what you can do is you can push ideas, and just 1 second, I have to select that, and when I push the brush, I select now ID, and I can change stuff around those parameters here, and there is stuff changing. When I think this is great, I select this one and drag and drop, and it's there, so I don't have to use this one anymore. Once it's in my DAW, I can mute stuff or change stuff around. When I select this one, it's only the notes that I played. So if I want to change stuff, I can go up, go down, and it's always in the key of the song. That's one way how I start a song. The other way is with Splice. I go to Splice and type in song starter, and I select music here, and just I downloaded a lot of chilling stuff, so I only get now pretty song starter EDM or pop. This is more okay. If you need a drop, I think this is more for me. Or something like this. You download it, drag and drop in your DAW, and then you have a pretty good starting point. What I normally do, I start with that and build around the I start to build around that loop and then build my own song. I only use it to start the song, and what you can do is go to the Apple Loops, select a certain beat or piano or synth, and then just listen. If you say, okay, I like this one because I want to build my song around that. That's very simple and very easy. You drag and drop and some claps, some hi-hats, and you're already on the good way to having a very nice song. That's the way I normally start my song. What you also can do, if you like a commercial song and you like certain elements of that, put the song in your DAW and start to recreate the song, but do it on your own way. Don't make a copy of the song. only use the elements you like and build a complete song around it, or just use a song as an inspiration and then you create your own song around it. So I hope I help you on the way with starting a song. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Enjoy!